Hi, I wanted to take a second and show you a quick and easy time saver on a spreadsheet called conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is a way that you can set your different numbers to pop up as certain colors. That way you can easily identify students who maybe rated your digital exit ticket as a 5 versus students who rated your digital to exit ticket as a 2. And you can use this then to be able to sort and group very easily. So the first thing you want to do is choose the column that you'd like to apply the conditional formatting to and select it. Then I'm going to hit the drop down and I'm going to scroll down to conditional formatting. And you see over here you have two choices. One is a single color and one is a color scale. So single color, you can see this is being applied to my entire range, E1 through E17, everything that I have data filled in for. And there's so many different ways that you can format it. I like to go down here because these choices are more applicable to the numbers. So for example, if I wanted to see any number that is equal to the number, let's say the number 5, students who really got it, I can choose my color. The default color right here is a green. And if I click done, you'll see that this highlighted all of the 5s in green. So I can very quickly see how many students got it versus how many didn't. Now, I can always add another rule and I can go ahead and make the 4s pink or the 3s blue. So all you have to do is just keep adding another rule and that will take care of it. Now, there's one additional way that you can do that, which I think works really good for this type of situation. So I'm going to go ahead and let's see, I'm going to select my conditional formatting here for this column. Go down to conditional formatting. I'm going to get rid of what I've already done. So I'm back to the start and add another rule. If you click color scale, it'll do a different gradients of colors based on the color that you choose. So I know in this a minimum value is the color that I want to be the darkest. I want the maximum value to be the lightest color here. And my midpoint is a number, so I'm going to choose number. And my midpoint is going to be kind of this, my midpoint number actually is a 3, right? Because I'm from a scale of 1 to 5, my midpoint is a 3. And you can click here and select done. And by doing so, this gives you a gradient. My lightest colors are my highest. My lowest color, which is the dark green, my lowest number was a 3. I didn't have any 1s or 2s. So I can look and see most kids were 5s and 4s. A 3 would be a little darker. Here's another example. I just chose a different color, and you can see how easy it is to be able to see which kids get it and which kids don't. So it's a fun trick to be able to play around with, and I think you'll find it really useful. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.